This is actually the most advanced console that I've ever seen. Alright, for today we have not one or two, but three different types of console boxes for vans like Toyota Noah, Toyota Voxy, Alphard and Mazda Biante. A console box is that box that sits between the driver's seat and the co-driver's seat, but these ones are specifically made for vans. So let's look at them one by one. So from the top, this one is made out of black plastic. It really looks good. And then the plastic has a little bit of chrome finishing, which is also nice. And then the body is made out of black leather. Looks very nice and super smooth. Then at the top, we see more plastic and then more chrome. At the front, a number of storage compartments. I see there's one cup holder, two storage compartments. So you can drop here like keys, and you can keep your smartphones here, then coins, money, your wallet and things like that. Then at the top we have more storage compartments. Actually, you can place your phone right here when you're driving, and then you can keep more stuff around here, maybe more keys, coins and stuff like that. At the bottom front we have more storage, but this compartment is quite bigger than the rest that we've seen at the top. Here you can keep stuff like cables, your chargers in the car, receipts and everything like that, papers, wallets. At the back, we still have more storage, just an elastic storage compartment. It's a bit small, but it's elastic. So yeah, you can use it for anything. When we move to the main compartment, this, it's actually big. You can really fit a lot of things here. I can keep stuff like shoes, bags, my car washing equipment, and then wallets, papers, books, and stuff like that. So it's really that big. Actually, you can also keep in flasks, cups. It would have been nice if it was a fridge, by the way, but it's just a storage compartment. No LED lighting on the inside, nothing extra. Then the cover slides backwards to open and then slides back to close. So I think this is ideal for people who just want a console box to be placed in their car for storage and maybe the design. So if you just need something basic to put into your car without charging ports, no LED lighting or anything extra, then this should just do for you very well. Now this is type number 2. You realize the design is all the same. Top black plastic with a little bit of chrome. More plastic at the top, same storage compartments. Like I said, you can keep here a number of things. Only one cup holder. It's a little bit small, so it can hold cups that are small plus small water bottles, but these big ones can't fit in well. However, we'll see that for this type, it has a charging component at the front, and this component includes 2 USB ports and then 2 cigarette lighter ports, which means that you can connect your phone right here using a USB cable and then it charges. Bad news, it doesn't include any USB-C ports, but anyway, we can just go with these. It also has a cable that connects to the cigarette lighter port of the car so that it gets power from the car to this component on the console box. Actually, there are only 2 differences between the first type and this type that we are looking at right now. First of all, this one has a component for charging, which includes USB ports and then 2 cigarette lighter ports, but also it includes a LED light inside the console box to basically light up when you open up the console. The bad news is it's powered by AAA batteries, so that means you will have to change the batteries after some time. But no problem with that. To access the battery compartment, you just open it up from here and then you can just place your AAA batteries and there you go. So automatically when you place the batteries, the light will go on, and then hold on, this thing is a bit hard to close and I don't want to break it. Okay, we're good. When you open it up, it lights, and when you close it, it goes off. So this one will work for people who want something, first of all, that will make the car look good, then storage, and then 3, who also want charging ports. This one will be a good solution for them. And then finally, for the third type, this is actually the most advanced console that I've ever seen. So from the top, we see This looks like plastic with a carbon fiber finish. It really looks good. Plus chrome everywhere on the storage compartments. Now, compared to the other two that we've looked at, this has two cup holders, actually three cup holders, two at the front and one at the back. Then there's also a compartment where you can drop your phone, you can keep keys, coins and stuff like that right here. Then at the back we have one more cup holder and another storage compartment. Then right here in the middle, this is wireless charging actually. Really looks nice. And then at the front, what is this? Oh, another drawer, another storage compartment. So you can keep a lot of things here. Maybe your wallet, maybe what? Money, papers, books, anything. Then we have a component for charging. So two USB ports and then two cigarette lighter ports. At the top, we have another cigarette lighter power outlet port. Then at the back, I'm seeing three USB ports. I guess these are supposed to be used for charging for the people that sit in the back seats. Let's check out the main compartment. This storage compartment is actually smaller compared to the other two that we've looked at. The difference is this also includes LED lighting on the inside. No batteries needed because this is powered by the car. So when you connect the console box to the car, it gets power to light the storage compartments and also to light this main storage compartment. So everything is packed in three. We have three cup holders. I see three USB ports at the back and then three cigarette lighter ports at the front. I think this should be the ideal center console for every person. What do you think? Just let me know in the comments. Bless.